In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter tasks by due date in Todoist. This is a simple but really powerful way to stay on top of what needs your attention today, this week, or further down the line. Let's start from your main Todoist view, where you can see your list of tasks and projects. When you're looking at a long list, it can be overwhelming to figure out what to focus on first. That's where filtering by due date becomes extremely useful. Instead of scanning everything manually, you'll use Todoist's built-in display options to organize tasks around their deadlines. First, move your attention to the top of the task list area. You'll see a set of options that let you adjust how your tasks are shown. Look for the option labeled Display. This is usually near the top right of your task view, and it controls the way your tasks are sorted and grouped. Click on Display. When you do this, a small menu will open, giving you different ways to organize what you see on the screen. This menu is designed to help you quickly change your perspective, depending on what you care about at the moment. Project, priority, labels, or in our case, due dates. From this menu, find and click on Due Date. Selecting this option tells Todoist to rearrange your tasks based on when they're due. After you click it, your list will update automatically. Tasks will now be grouped or ordered in a way that highlights their deadlines, often starting with overdue tasks, then today, then upcoming dates. This view makes it much easier to plan your day. You can immediately see what is overdue, what must be done today, and what is coming up later in the week. It's a good habit to switch to this due date view at the beginning of your day, so you can quickly decide what to tackle first. You might find it helpful to scan the today and overdue sections, then move a few key tasks into your immediate focus. If at any point you want to go back to a different view, simply click on Display again and choose another option, like sorting by project or priority. You can switch back and forth as often as you like, depending on whether you want a time-based view or a project-based view, and that's all there is to it. By clicking on Display and then selecting Due Date, you turn Todoist into a clear, deadline-focused workspace that helps you